Attention! The following video may contain fun, humor, profanity, personal opinions, political incorrectness, and so on. If you are under the age of 18 or are easily offended by something as simple as gendered words, then I suggest you turn this video off and watch something more suited to you. Something like Sesame Street. Don't say I didn't warn you. G'day guys. Welcome back to the channel once again, and welcome to my local club. So finally, after what seems like an eternity, got a break in the weather. Track conditions are not 100%, but finally getting a chance to run my new WRC nitro buggy. So got everything here. Got the nitro buggy, also got my e-buggy as well. I'm gonna have a bit of practice because I haven't raced in such a long time, so going to get a bit of practice in, but I will finally be able to put this thing on the track. So I'm going to get everything set up and hopefully we'll be able to cut some laps. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to take it slowly because I'm just by myself and there's a puddle over there. I'm going to go slow around, so it's going to be hard to marshal myself, and this is the first time it's hit the track, so let's get used to it. These tyres aren't the best, I don't think. I might do a tyre change. Yeah, these tyres are a bit sketchy, but we'll do a few laps. So far so good. Very skittish around that corner. Hey! Luckily these servos are waterproof. Hey! It has been a while, guys. Alright, we'll bring it in, see what the fuel tank's like. Well guys, that was its very first run on the track, and I'm quite happy with how it's all come out. So, quick inspection of the tank, you may not be able to see it. Bit under half a tank we used. I was obviously driving very conservatively. Like I said, you know, I'm out here by myself, so it's hard to marshal myself, and I don't want to have to be running up and down the driver's stand, flipping myself over every 5 seconds. So that was driving conservatively. These tyres aren't the best. I just wanted to use these just so I could just get a feel for the car. It is a little bit slick because, as you can see, there's water around the track. But other than that, guys, I am very happy with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a tyre change and we'll go for another run. Alright guys, so I have changed the tyres. I've gone from these James Racing, what are they? James Racing cross tyres. These, the moment I'm using some Proline, what do we call, Electro Shots, Proline Electro Shots. These are X2 compound. They're a bit old, a bit dirty, but see how we go. So I'm going to get this started and we're going to hit the track again. Alright guys, let's see how we go with these tyres. See if it slides out. A little bit. Oh, that's much better. Go slow over the puddle, there we go. Might have to adjust the rear brake bias a little. So far, I'm loving the way this car's going. Might need to make a few little changes here and there, but not much. Nope. Bugger. Well, I'm going to say this, well, despite that small cock up right at the end there, I would say that this buggy is going really well. It started to come better the more laps that I did, mainly because everything was new and hadn't settled in. I'm going to do some more running off camera, but quite frankly I am happy with the way this buggy is going. It's handling well despite the conditions. It's got well, this engine, I'm afraid, is on its way out. I'll go into that into another video, but other than that, this thing is going absolutely mint. There might be a few little changes I might change. I might change the rebound on the shocks, might change the brake bias a little bit. It seems to, I mean, it could also just be the track conditions, but other than that, it is going really well. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the first run of this buggy. If you have any questions or anything like that, don't hesitate to comment down below. Until then guys, enjoy your hobby and cheers.